I'm close to St. Augustine. I'm taking this bike trail from here, heading to Palatka. So it's gonna be fun. I like this trail. St. Augustine to Palatka trail. Look at that. It's a beautiful day to ride a bike. Look at all those fields. Doesn't look like Florida. Anyway, I'm in the county border. So this is the Putnam County. Maybe 4 or 5 miles to go to Palatka. I like this trail. I mean, the road is right close by, but still, you're off-road and it's an enjoyable ride. I'm almost in Palatka. Gonna spend some time there in this Ravine Gardens State Park, and when I'm done there, I'm gonna take the Palatka Lake Butler Trail. That's the plan. It's warming up nicely. Welcome to Palatka. I'm in Palatka now. Wow, hello, hi. Yep, I'm going over the St. John's River. Very pretty. Look at this Spanish moss. These are nice old historic houses. It's looking good. Very pretty. It's so peaceful here. So that's the Ravine Gardens. Azaleas are about to bloom. Look at that. It's so beautiful here. I guess I'm gonna leave my bike here and go and walk this bridge there. That's the one. Let's go and walk. Look, azaleas are about to bloom. Some already do. It's gonna turn really pretty here. So, that's the suspension bridge. Very cool. Wow, this is such a cool place. And there's my bike. Wow, this is so cool here. Azalea trail. I gotta come back when the azaleas are all blooming and spend some time here. So if you wanna read about the old Palatka waterworks, then information is here. The azaleas. Lots of them are already blooming. So peaceful. I'm gonna eat my sandwich here. It's a beautiful place to stop. I made the sandwich to go. Now it's good to eat. So I'm back out and heading out. Look, they have some nice brick roads here. Historical brick roads. There you go. I was thinking, where is the trail? Why I'm still on the road. Here you go. That's the Palatka Lake Butler Trail. I missed the turn. I was riding on the road and thinking, where is the trail? It's supposed to have a trail right next to the road, that it's not. Came out, I missed the trailhead and was riding parallel. Now I'm on the trail again. So I'm heading to Keystone Heights. Another nice bridge over the wetlands or some kind of creek. The hikers who hike up Florida Trail. I remember when I was hiking in Florida Trail, then I was passing this area. It was 3 miles on this bike trail. I was thinking at that time how easy it would be to ride a bike. And now I'm riding the bike. Look at the bike trail. Such a beautiful trail. I just keep riding. 15 more miles to go to Keystone Heights. After that I'm heading to Coldad State Park, which is 6 miles away from there. Beautiful. Very enjoyable to ride. And it's covered. It's gotten so warm. I think it's mid-60s already. It's a nice, beautiful trail. Very smooth to ride. I'm going like 19, almost 20 miles an hour. I think I'm going downhill, that's why. So that's the Palatka Lake Butler State Trail. Did you hear that? The rooster was calling. I'm just keep riding. That's all I need to do. Just move one leg after another. I just saw the sign, Flora Home Trailhead. I guess the town is called Flora Home. Now it's already upper 60s. It's getting warmer and warmer. I don't see any ducks there, but it would be perfect. I'm in Keystone Heights. Whew, it's getting so hot. Temperature is 68. Almost 70, and tomorrow's gonna be even hotter. Okay, and we're gonna go to pizza and ice cream. Hopefully they have something else too.
Okay, there's a lot of improvement.
That's what I'm gonna eat tonight.
Cody, how are you? I'm good, I'm crocheting. I see that. Started off as a hobby, and then it snowballed from there.
Got the chicken wings. Look, 69 already. It's gonna be 70 this afternoon.
Your SUV is a multi-purpose tool, like these Cooper rugged trucks.
That was good. I got 10 chicken wings. So now I have only 6 miles to go. Last time when I was there, I noticed that they have a bike trail and it's not even marked on the Google Maps. So that's the bonus. Here you go! Coldade State Park. Micros Coldade Branch State Park. That's where I'm gonna stay tonight.
Your destination is on the left.
No, it's on the right.
How doing? You? I'm alright.
Yeah. No, I'll find out. Thank you. I got the campsite. Let's find the campsite. Site 61 to 74 and my site is 67, so it has to be here. 67, that means this one. Wow, that's a large site. There we go, this is the site. I'm gonna stay here tonight. It rhymes. This is the site, I'm gonna stay here tonight. Today's mileage is 60.4, 60 miles today. Tent is up and let me show you around. That's my tent. Very comfy. That's a Nemo tent. And sleeping pad, sleeping bag, pillow. You know, I don't blow pillow up all the way. That way it's much more comfortable if it's a little bit softer. See, I could fill it up a lot more, but I leave it like that, then it sinks in and you sleep much better. It's 3 o'clock right now, so I have plenty of time. And I guess I'm gonna go and walk around and check out this lake. So this place is called the Amphitheater. Nice lake view. Beautiful. I can hear the sandhill cranes. Actually, I can see them flying. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're coming to my way. Do you see them flying? Sandhill cranes. Okay, this one looks really good. Let's take a little walk. If I could somehow get closer to the other lake, that would be good. I could see the birds over there. But in this pond we have over 100 ringneck ducks. These ducks should be called actually ring-billed ducks because they have ring around the bill, not around the neck. I mean, they do have it, but it's not visible. Whole bunch of them. I counted over 100. Pretty cool. I guess they're gonna spend the night here. Such a peaceful night. No wind, very quiet. And it's warm. It's upper 60s. very beautiful. I counted 42 sandhill grains. They are so far out. But there are more actually. I'm already in my tent. It's not even dark. It's 6 o'clock. Anyway, good night everyone, and see you all in the morning. Good morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm getting ready to ride back to Jacksonville. 60 miles to go. All right. Okay, there's my bike, and there's the morning sun. I keep riding, State Road 21. I'm in Middleburg. It's 9 o'clock. So I have 37 miles to go. Look at this river. I'm somewhere between the Middleburg and Orange Park. 35 miles to go. I didn't even see that there is the bike trail. Bike trail goes alongside of the main road. It looks nice here. I'm riding now in Ortega Boulevard. That's the Stockton Park. Let me check it out. Looks beautiful. Right next to Ortega Boulevard. That's the St. John's River next to Ortega Boulevard. Riverside Avenue. It looks nice here. I like all those big oak trees. 1 hour and 30 minutes to go. Okay, I'm now in Jacksonville downtown. Now I need to cross over to the other side of the river. Look at this big monster. Oh, it's going down. Oh wow. I passed it by just on time. Wow. Look at this. That's how it works. Really cool. It's always up, I thought it's not working, but it does. That's a railroad bridge. How cool is that? Perfect timing. Look at that. The train is coming. That's a long train. I'm not gonna wait all the way. That's gonna take forever. Whew. I made a little stop here. And yeah, I'm almost at home. It's like 45 minutes to go. My bike has been performing perfectly. No issues whatsoever. No flat tires, nothing. Couple more miles to go and I'm home. Thank Thank you for subscribing, thank you for following my adventure. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button and turn notification bell on so that you wouldn't miss anything. And see you in the next video.